In this video, I want to talk a bit about Pinterest and give you a quick rundown on how you can use it for marketing. First of all, though, let me give you some background on Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual discovery, collection, and storage tool. And it's basically a picture-based social bookmarking site. It was launched in 2010 and it's free to use. And users can upload, save, sort and manage images, known on Pinterest as pins, and other social media content, for example videos and images, through collections that are known as pin boards. And Pinterest acts as a personalized media platform. Users can browse the content of others in their feed. And users can then save individual pins to one of their own pin boards using the Pin It button. And pin boards are typically organized by a central topic or a theme. And you can also personalize your experience with Pinterest by pinning items, creating boards, and interacting with other members. And by doing so, the user's pin feed displays unique personalized results. And Pinterest can be accessed via computers, smartphones and tablets. And it's good for business to business and business to consumer communications. And Pinterest can actually be highly beneficial to businesses that need to showcase products or locations. So we're talking businesses like restaurants, you could have some photographs of the different foods that are on the menu. Clothing manufacturers and retailers can show the latest fashions. Car dealerships can show the latest cars that they've got in. Real estate agents can showcase houses and other properties. And tourist attractions, of course, can use it to generate interest, particularly if you've got some sort of forthcoming attraction or you're putting on some sort of an event. Then pictures on Pinterest can be very powerful indeed. And there are lots and lots of other applications for it as well. Now, Pinterest has separate accounts for business users, which have different features from the ones that you would use just for an ordinary consumer. And you can join as a business and find out more information at this site here, business.pinterest.com. And they've got some tools to help you get started, as widget builders and brand guidelines and so on. And there's also some success stories. If I just click here on this tab, you can see there's all these different companies that have been using Pinterest as part of their marketing strategy. I'll scroll down a bit here. You can see there's all these different types of companies, restaurants, clothing companies, all sorts of things, large and small. For example, you've got Sony and WikiHow. You've got magazines like Vogue and so on. Let's just delve into one of them here. Let's look at this one here, All Recipes. And if I scroll down, you can see it's got all the information about them. And at the bottom, you've got their featured board. You've got all their different recipes and so on. And it also explains how they use email marketing to drive pins. And there's similar stories from the other businesses that I just mentioned on the previous page. And I strongly recommend that you come to the Business Pinterest site and have a look around, because it goes into a lot of detail about how you can use Pinterest to drive traffic to your website and to build your business and to get the word out there. And Pinterest is a very underutilized tool, so you really will be getting a head start on your competition, and of course you'll be in very good company. So there you go. That's a brief overview about how you can use Pinterest to help build your business.